Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a PlayStation enthusiast like me, you know how important it is to keep track of your digital purchases. Today, we're tackling how to see purchase history on PS4 in 2025. Whether you're hunting for a game you bought ages ago or just monitoring your spending, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your PS4 is turned on and you're logged into your PlayStation account. This is crucial because purchase history is tied directly to your profile. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store icon. It's usually front and center or in your library menu. Click on it to open the store. Now, in the PlayStation Store, look for the Account or Profile section. In 2025, Sony has made this even easier with a refreshed interface, so you might see a new Account Management tab right at the top. Select that, and then scroll down to find Purchase History. It could be under Transactions or My Purchases, depending on any recent updates. Once you're in the Purchase History section, you'll see a list of all your past buys, including games, add-ons, and subscriptions. You can filter by date, type, or even search for specific items, super handy for finding that one DLC you can't remember. If you need more details, just select an item, and it might show you the exact date, price, and even a receipt if available. One quick tip. If you're having trouble, ensure your PS4 is updated to the latest software version, as 2025 might bring some enhancements. Also, remember that this feature requires an internet connection, so stay online while you're at it. And there you have it. Checking your purchase history on PS4 is straightforward and takes less than a minute. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Game on!